What if I told you a 23-year-old from India in 499 CE figured out pi, 0, and how the earth spins 1000 years before Europe? Aryabhatta was born in 476 CE. At 23, he wrote the Aryabhatiya 121 verses that changed math and astronomy forever. He worked in Kusmapura near present day Patna. He didn't invent zero, but he used a place value system within it. That's the system we still use today. 203 means two hundreds, 0 tens, and 3 ones. Thanks to that idea, he gave pi as 3.1416, insanely accurate for 1500 years ago. He also created the first sine table. Sailors, astronomers, and engineers still use sine and cosine. He solved linear and quadratic equations and even something called intermediate equations, basically puzzles with infinite solutions used today in cryptography. And he used math to explain the cosmos. He said the earth rotates on its axis daily and that ellipses happen because of shadows, not demons, all proved with math. GPS satellites and computer graphics trace back to ideas Aryabhatta wrote down. India even named its first satellite after him in 1975. One man, 23-year-old, 121 verses, and the foundation of modern math. Thank you.